Hi everyone, welcome to Kidoscope. I'm glad to see you here. So, Kidoscope is all about learn, unlearning, and relearning. So, let's go to the Phonics letter P. So, as I'm always saying, kids can relate within conversations and role plays. So, when we first introduce Phonics to our kids, it is better to introduce their animal sounds and like this. What's the sound of animal? Dog. So which animal is this? This is a dog, and what does dog make? Bow, bow, bow. Like this, each animal has a different sound. In English, each letter in English alphabet has a unique sound. So what is a sound of letter P? Pa, 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 pa as in pan, back, bat, like that. So let's see the song on puff, puff out the candles, the pink, pink, puff, 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 puff. So you can have a chart of a few words with each letter. So for example, I have given letter P words: panda, pan, parrot, pencil, penguin, pumpkin. This one is for T word. So when we say panda, what is the first sound of panda? Pa. So which letter gives pa sound? Speak. These two questions we need to ask kids continuously. When we say pan, what is the starting sound of pan? If they say pa, what is the letter which gives pa? P. So likewise, we need to ask these two questions every day, repeatedly, until they got thoroughly on phonetic sounds. So this is a favorite game of my kid, I Spy. She's always ready to play I Spy. So I spy with my little eyes. So go and get me one thing that starts with P. So if she is okay, then get something that is fine, like pineapple, papaya, pumpkin, pan, like that. So if she or he not able to find a word with a pa, we can give some clues, like it is a fruit, it is an object which we use in kitchen, like that we can give clues. So this kind of activity with a P. Here, for example, I have shown ABC activity. So in the case of this, we can have a printed worksheets. If you are interested to get this worksheet, comment in comment section. I will provide the worksheets as well for all the alphabets. So like that, see, starting letter. While seeing the object, they will reflect this is a bat. So what is the starting sound of bat? Ba. So which letter gives ba? It's B. So we need to let them practice these two activities. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.